Asphalt mixture solvent extraction proficiency samples 97 and 98 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on October 13th, 2022. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. For solvent extraction rounds 97 and 98, there will be two pre-mixed asphalt bricks in the main sample box. One is labeled Sample A, which corresponds to Sample 97. The other is labeled Sample B, which corresponds to Sample 98. Treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. Upon receipt, assume the samples are moisture-free as received, and the mass of these asphalt bricks and any residual pieces of mixture should be around 2,450 to 2,550 grams. If your samples are outside of this range, please do not hesitate to contact us. Finally, all pertinent information, such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets, can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Sample Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.